So I start by pressing the upload button. I can upload text. When I do so, I can see the uploaded text file. For pre-processing, I can click the tokenize button and it breaks down the text into tokens. You can see it's also adding some pad tokens to keep the maximum length of all the lines. I can show token IDs and I see the pad tokens as 0. I can press augment data and then it creates some augmented versions. I can create multiple augmented versions. I see it starts to lose some meaning after a few augmentations, but I can see that the tokens have been generated for all the augmented versions. And I can show token IDs and I can see the tokens for all the versions. Next, I can reset the app. I can also upload images. So if I upload these images, I can first see the uploaded images. I can hit resize images to make them all of the same size. You can see the difference here. Then I can normalize the images for pre-processing, where I'm changing the gradient or the contrast on the pixels. You can see the difference on the face of the cat, so that now the face is more emphasized. And finally, I can click augment images, and here it then generates, it puts random drops and rotations and flips on the initial images, and that creates an augmented data set for these images. I can also reset, I can upload an audio, where I upload an audio file. I can see the uploaded file and play it. Next, I can also resample the audio. That creates a resample version by reducing the sample size to 16 kilohertz. I can hear now that the quality of the audio has gone down a bit. I can augment the audio to then create new versions where I stretch the time factor or stretched it even more, shifted the pitch, or added some reverb. Next, I can also upload some 3D models. So if I upload this 3D model, I am able to see the model. I can interact with the model by rotating it. And then when I augment, when I augment 3D data, it generates some 3D models where it has added a random rotation or changed the scale of the model, or also added a little noise to the vertex. I can interact with the individual models also. And here's the original model. So yeah, that completes this web app.